In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to copy your Instagram profile URL link. And yeah, let's get started right away. So unfortunately, you can't copy the URL link via Instagram app, which is actually pretty weird to me, but you gotta do it via the browser Instagram. So what we want to do is we want to open up our browser, search for Instagram, just like this. And once we're here, we want to go to the Instagram website. But usually when you click on it, this will just take you over to the app. But what we want to do is, I'm not sure how it exactly works on Android, but I think you can just figure it out. But if you on iOS long hold this, then just click on open a new tab. This will just open it up as in your browser. And what we want to do is we want to log into our account. Just like this, click on login, then just log into your account. And once you're logged into your account, this is basically the exact same Instagram as in the app, but the difference is if you click on your profile at the bottom right corner and then go to the link, you can see that the link is now instagram.com/RyanRoyen/HTD, which is our account. So we just want to select the link and then just click on copy. And now let's say we're on a different tab and we paste the link. We can see that it takes us to our Instagram account. And that is basically it. So I hope this video was very helpful, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.